Hi, I'm Jessica Niehaus, and I'm a designer here at Stars Design Group. I take the client assortment plan and I interpret that into 3D designs using our browseware software. I was a sales associate at Supermarket of Shoes, which is now Famous Footwear. I wanted to be a cartoonist. I would spend hours drawing Looney Tunes or any other Warner Brothers characters. My friends would describe me as laid back, caring, and creative. My mom taught me how to sew at a very young age, so I think that coupled with my love of drawing brought me to fashion. Getting the new projects. I think it's really exciting to work on such a wide range of products, and it keeps things fresh. I think seeing the new designs come to life, seeing the first protos, seeing them online or in social media. A friend from college got a job here, and she told me about an opening, and I applied and got the job. My favorite part is the coworkers. Everyone's very friendly and supportive of one another, and I think we have a great team. I think I bring a technical eye to the creative process. I think designs are more than just silhouettes or style lines, so I really have to dig into the stitching details and the construction to make sure designs are feasible for production.